Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to upload files to Google Drive, iOS and Android Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open the Drive or the Google Drive icon onto your phone. So this actually both works onto Android and iOS devices. Then right after, once you're already in, just make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account. You could check onto the profile icon here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Now to go ahead and upload some files here, you'll just have to click onto the plus icon to proceed. So there are different options. You could upload a file, scan document, take photo, create a folder, and many more. So if you want to go ahead and opt to creating a folder first before uploading a file, you could click on to create a folder and type in the folder name. But we're just gonna directly go ahead and upload a file. Click onto upload file in here, and there are options to go ahead and browse your photos and videos. So if you click onto that, you'll get redirected onto the photos and videos of your device. But if you click onto browse, you should be redirected onto the file manager of your device. So just choose which one. For this example, we'll try out some photos in here. Click onto photos and videos. You'll just have to click onto allow full access for that. And right after, just go ahead and choose in an album or anything in there. Like for example, this one, onto the photo that you want to upload. Click onto upload and this should go ahead and process the upload onto your Google Drive. So as you can see, it is still pending, but once it is done, it would show a complete message in there. You could see also when that was uploaded with its modified date. And that is how to upload files to Google Drive both on iOS and Android Easy Guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.